This is the finished look. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my full face daily makeup routine. You can get most of these products at your local CVS or Target, anything like that. Most of these actually I stole from my mom, but that's besides the point. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to go in on freshly washed, freshly clean face. To clean my face, I just use the stuff that I normally use in the shower. And then over top of that, I took a wet cotton pad and just wiped my face down. I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. On top of that, I'm going to apply some sunscreen just to help moisturize my face before I apply anything else on top. Next, I'm going to take my eyebrow spoolie and brush my brows up and out. Next, I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil, outline them, starting with the bottom and dragging it out to the end of my brow, and then at the top doing the same. I'm a bit OCD with my brows, so my favorite saying is that they're sisters and not twins, so they don't have to be perfect. Depending on the shape I want towards the front, I'll make them more square or a bit rounder. And I'm just going to keep coloring and shading them all the way down towards the end.
I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we can playing tag.
And then taking my spoolie again, I'm going to brush the color through so they're not as dark, and make sure they're shaped properly.
Barbie dream house, the way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Then I'm going to go ahead and take my CoverGirl eyeshadow palette and use the darker tones to shade in my brow. I'm going a bit softer with this look, so I'll be taking a lighter color towards the front of my brow and just shading in right there. This will also help when I apply my concealer and everything else to kind of
blend in. But I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he's paying me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York.
Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. candle concealer in the color medium beige, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline concealer in the shade 5855, applying that next to my camel concealer. This will even out the tone a little bit when I go ahead and blend it.
Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
And to blend, I'm just dragging it up the corner of my eyes and going on my eyelid a little bit. I went a little heavy on my left eyelid, so I'll just have to blend that out a bit more afterwards.
Like Odell. No, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
now I'm just continuing to blend, making sure I get it up on my nose, around my mouth, on my forehead, and making sure that I'm not messing up my eyebrows at all when I do this. And we're really just trusting the process here, because I know I see that giant streak of unblended concealer. That's okay, you know? We're getting there.
In the meantime, I'm doing what I want. Just some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold on, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my bronzer and I'm going to apply that on my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit on my nose.
Now the thrillers gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so deep.
I like to use a lot of highlighter on my nose to really get that effect. Then I'm going to go ahead and put highlighter on my nose, my cheekbones, a little bit under my brows, and on my forehead. Those are the spots that any light that hits my face, those are the spots that I wanted to really hit.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Now I'm just blending upwards. When I first started doing makeup, honestly, blending was like the hardest part because I didn't realize how long it took to blend. And especially with a brush instead of a beauty blender, like using a brush over a beauty blender just because I feel like it's easier to maneuver.
up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up.
Yeah, and I know we see those unblended spots on my forehead, so let's take care of that.
No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up.
So to add a bit more color back to my face, I'm taking a matte lipstick and just applying a few spots of that on both sides. I don't like to apply a ton because then it looks like I'm sunburnt. So just a little bit.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you feel your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs.
On top of that, we're gonna go ahead and layer on highlighting powder and some powder blush.
Feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
I applied a little bit of powder blush to my forehead to kind of bring some color back up there too, and just getting a quick dust on my face. And I'm using the lightest blush color that I have to kind of accentuate those already highlighted features.
No, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Cause I've been thinking about I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute.
that's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no.
And then I'm gonna pretend to put on setting spray because I don't have any. Now I'm gonna be doing my lips. So first thing I do is go in with some chapstick because that's what I find works best for me in terms of keeping my lips hydrated and adding in color after all that powder and concealer and everything else may have gotten on my lips when I applied it. Next, I'm just taking the brow pencil that I used before and outlining my lip.
Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel?
I don't typically wear lip liner or darken my lips too much. Just put on a little bit and kind of fade it out. Next, I'm going in with my EM Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Caramel Glaze, just applying that, just a light coat of that over top. And this is a sign for you to buy some new lip gloss if you don't have more, because as you can see, I accidentally ended up eating some, trying to squeeze a little bit out. Just adding some gloss for a final finish. And my favorite part, as you can see, I'm going to be putting on some lashes. These lashes I got actually from TikTok. They are by Pro Lash Beauty. And y'all don't understand, I used to be deathly afraid of curling my lashes. And the lash map I use for this is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other side off camera. So this is a finished look. It didn't take too long, but so let me know what you guys think below. I'll be sure to add a link to all of the products that I use in the description, and make sure you guys drink water and, you know, treat others how you want to be treated. Thank you for joining me, and until next time.